Let me show you how to install the spool onto the rack. First of all, you have to slide down the first rubber washer onto the steel washer. Slides right down, settles right there. Then the 3-pound spool goes onto the rack. Then the second rubber washer goes on right here and contacts the spool. Then the steel washer. Then the spring. There's 2 holes. Insert the first hitch pin in the second hole, right through the coils of the spring, like so. Now you can grab the spring and rotate it like a screw. It'll become tight against the spool, and once the spring is below the top hole, you simply insert the second hitch pin so that it can't escape, like so.